Today, we are talking about the big move in the US stock market. All three major indexes, the Nasdaq, the S&P 500, and the Dow Jones went up today. And the main reason is simple. Investors are waiting for Nvidia's earnings report. Nvidia is one of the most important companies in the world right now because of its strong AI business. So when Nvidia is about to report earnings, the whole market pays attention. Let's begin. The market went up today. All three major indexes rose. Nasdaq, S&P, and Dow. This shows that investors feel more hopeful and less afraid today. When all these indexes move together, it usually means the market is feeling good about something, and today, that something is Nvidia's earnings. Why Nvidia matters so much? Nvidia is now one of the most important companies for AI chips, data centers, cloud computing, robotics, self-driving, high-performance computing. Almost every major tech company uses Nvidia's chips. So when Nvidia reports earnings, it tells the world how fast AI is growing, how big the demand is for chips, what tech companies are planning next. If Nvidia reports strong numbers, it can push the entire tech market higher. Why stock rose today? Investors believe Nvidia will report strong revenue, strong profit, strong demand for AI chips, big orders from cloud companies, positive outlook for next year. Because of this, people started buying stocks ahead of the report. This buying activity lifted tech stocks, AI stocks, chip stocks, cloud stocks, even general market indexes. In short, hope about Nvidia pushed the whole market up. Why the Nasdaq went up? The Nasdaq is full of tech stocks, companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta, Nvidia. When investors expect strong AI demand, they buy tech stocks. That is why Nasdaq moved up the most. Investors think the AI boom is still very strong. Why the S&P 500 rose? The S&P 500 also went up because many of its biggest companies are tech companies, chip companies, cloud companies, AI companies. If Nvidia does well, these companies will also benefit, so investors bought them today. Why the Dow Jones went up? The Dow Jones has a fewer tech names, but it still rose because investors feel more positive. Money is moving back into stocks. Confidence is higher for overall economy. Big companies like Microsoft help push the index up. When people expect good news, they invest. What investors are waiting for? Investors want to see how fast AI chip sales are growing, whether Nvidia can keep up with demand, whether new AI chips will launch soon, whether cloud companies are buying more hardware, whether it has strong guidance for the next quarter. If Nvidia's comments are positive, the stock could jump, and the entire tech market could rise with it. What could happen after earnings? There are two possible outcomes. If Nvidia beats expectations, tech stocks might rise more. The Nasdaq could make big gains. AI companies could jump. Chip stocks have a strong week. If Nvidia disappoints, the market will fall. Chip stocks could drop. Fear may return to the market. This is why everyone's watching Nvidia today. What this means for regular investors? Here is the simple message. The market is moving because Nvidia is now the heartbeat of the AI world. If Nvidia does well, the whole market feels strong. If Nvidia struggles, the market feels weak. This is why even people who don't own Nvidia stock still care about earnings report. Well, today everybody is excited, and we need to keep uh, following the news about the AI world. Now, AI world right now owns everything, and it means everything for all the investors in the United States. We need to keep study and analyze. Hope you can follow my videos in the future. I will talk more about AI world. Thanks for watching.